Today we're talking about Tau VMs, BigQuery Security, the future of computing and gaming. I'm Stephanie Wong, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. Scale-out workloads demand the best combo of performance and price to bring down the cost of delivering applications, all while providing an excellent user experience. We are excited to announce a new VM family, Tau VMs, coming to Google Cloud. Tau VMs extend Compute Engine's VM offerings with a new option optimized for cost-effective performance of scale-out workloads. We're excited to announce the GA of BigQuery row-level security, which gives customers a way to control access to subsets of data in the same table for different groups of users. Row-level security, RLS, extends the principle of least privilege access and enables fine-grained access control policies in BigQuery tables. BigQuery currently supports access controls at the project, dataset, table, and column level. Since quantum computing is the next technological revolution and we want to make it universally accessible, we're excited to announce that quantum computers from IonQ are now available on the Google Cloud Marketplace. Developers, researchers, and enterprises alike can now access IonQ's high-fidelity 11-qubit system via Google Cloud in just a few clicks, with billing and provisioning handled via their existing Google accounts. With the surge of new gamers and an increase in time spent playing games in the last year, it's more important than ever to delight and engage players. We're here to help you build high-quality experiences and take your games to the next level. Join us for our online event on July 12th to the 13th to catch deep dives full of best practices to help you continue creating great games, connecting with players, and scaling your business. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.